Hi there, it's Cliff at Norman's Printery, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use our Canva templates for candle dust covers. So start by going to shop.normansprintery.com and then select templates and candle dust cover templates. And then we have a list of Canva templates and PDF templates with tab and without tab. So select the Canva template that you want to that fits your candle. So I'm going to select a tabbed dust cover, the 3-inch size. So you'll be prompted to log in to Canva if you're not already. So and it just confirms this is the template you want to use. So I'm going to click Use Template, and it brings you right into Canva. So there's a few things to notice. First of all, we see the cut line for our candle dust cover. And we have a second page with a few tips on designing your dust cover. So the first thing you want to make sure is that you have bleed turned on. So one quick way that we've made to see that is if you see this green box around the second page, that means your bleed is turned on. And if you don't see it, it's really easy to turn on. You just go to File, View Settings, and Show Bleed. Make sure it's checked on. So we have this, on the first page, we have this layer locked, so you can't move the dust cover template lines, so don't worry about that. So I'm going to go ahead and start adding a few things that are common on dust covers. So let's say I want a different color back. So I'm going to click Elements and just select a square. Now what I don't want to do is align this just to the document size. And actually, this is a good time to show you another thing as well. We want to work below our template layer. So when you put in a background color, you're going to want to select it and right-click and go to Layer and Send to Back. So now we can still see our cut line. And what we're going to want to do is bring this document. See how if I put it to the edge of the square, but then I keep moving it to the upper left, you still see that color. That is your bleed area, anything outside of this dotted line here. So if you do have a background color or a background image that you want to extend beyond the cut edge of your dust cover, go ahead and drag it all the way to the edge of the bleed, the far edge of the bleed area. So I'll make this a certain color, and then I'll add some text. So another tip is keep all of your art about 1/8 of an inch in from the cut line. You don't want to put, like let's say I wanted to have this positioned here. You don't want to do that. Because the reason you don't want to do that is there will be some slight variations in position from sheet to sheet when we're printing and when we're die cutting these. And so if you have a piece of art or text right on the edge, it's very likely that on some of those it'll be getting cut into. And so the way around that is to keep all of your art in a bit from the edge of the cutting edge of the dust cover. That's why we have bleed that extends beyond the cut edge as well. Anything you want to extend off the edge of your dust cover, you want to extend all the way into the bleed area. Okay, so I'm just going to add a few things here. So let's say I'm happy with that. So the next step would be to export this as a PDF. So the way we do that, there's a few things we want to do first. Number one, we want to get rid of the template layer. We can't just turn it off like we would in a design application. We actually have to delete it, but it is locked. But if you click on it, you will see this little lock right here. So if you click Unlock, it then selects the template, and you should be able to just hit delete. So I'll do that again. We select the layer. Even though it's locked, you'll see it. But the easiest way to select it is probably clicking the wick hole right here, and that little lock will show up. So you click Unlock and delete. So next you'll click Share and Download. Instead of a PNG, we want Print PDF. Now we can't select CMYK on a free account. That's a premium feature. RGB is okay. Just know that if you've selected very vibrant colors, they will not print in CMYK as vibrantly as they look on your screen. Your computer monitor is able to show much more vivid colors than are able to print using cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, which is what CMYK stands for. So just to recap, it was share, download PDF, print, and then make sure to turn on your crop marks and bleed. On your pages, you don't have to include that last page. Just select the art that you want to upload for your dust cover and click done. Then download. So this is the file we're going to upload on our site. So we'll show you that next. So head over back to shop.normansprintery.com. And a quick way to get to any dust cover is to type in the size that you want in the search bar and hit enter. And then when you hit enter, it'll show you all of the 3-inch dust cover options that we have available. So again, I already used the 3-inch dust cover with tab, so I'll click back on that. When you're ready to order, you'll select whatever quantity you need. You'll select your paper. If you have a PO number or a identifier for your order, you can type that in there if you'd like, as well as some additional notes if you have them, and then click Customize Order. So this is going to bring up the upload field where we're going to drop in the art that we just created. And this is where you're going to upload that art. So you'll click Upload Your Art in the upper left here. And then you can drag in the art you created and click Finish Cropping. And you'll see the crop marks line right up to the cut line. So that red mark is what these crop marks line up to. And so we know that this is the same size and ratio as what we had originally designed in Canva. So you click Finish Editing. And it's just going to confirm that this is the art that you want to use. And that's all. You'll just continue to check out, and we'll get that file and move your job into production. So I hope that was helpful, and we look forward to seeing what you make.